Good morning. It is 6:30 a.m. and I'm waiting for my car to pick me up to the airport.
I was in such a rush yesterday that I realized I didn't even give you guys a room tour. So this is just a quick one before I head out for breakfast. So this is the bathroom. There is no bath, but just a shower, which I'm completely okay with. Counter, all this tea is butter, my go-to moisturizer for every single trip and even at home actually. Toilet. Over here we have the bar, the pantry, snacks and everything. There is a fridge and a safe in there. Bed, standard, mirror, nice. And then over here we have a desk where it's gonna be my war zone later, maybe. And then we have a really gorgeous view of London. Tate Modern is over there. If you can see that little chimney, it's right over there. You know, the weather was perfect yesterday and we're expecting sunny weather. So I'm actually preparing to head out to breakfast, and then we have a morning walk along the Thames River at about 7:45. Then we come back and there's going to be an Apple Fitness Plus yoga class, which I'm kind of excited for. We don't have Fitness Plus in Singapore, so this is my first time doing a Fitness Plus class, and I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys enjoy this very quick and kind of random room tour. I will be taking you guys on my day with me. It's like our first full day. Countdown 36 hours began yesterday when we landed, and now it's going to be a day.
If you want to spread out, we're going to do a few little stretches, just lift ourselves up.
It's cold. Tropical girls are not meant for this.
Tropical girlies.
Yeah, tropical girlies. This is the Apple London HQ, and it's called the Battersea Power Station. It was only opened last June, and everything here is just so gorgeous. I don't know if you've noticed, but everywhere in this place, everything has such beautiful curves. I wish I could show you in detail. Like even the planters that you can see behind me, they all have curved edges. Even the inside of the lifts have curved edges, and it's just such beautiful design detail that you only see at Apple because they are so detail-oriented.
Korea, Australia, Southeast Asia. There's people here from over 30 countries. Good morning. Welcome to Apple Park. We have a huge day of announcements ahead of us, and it's all about iPad. Introducing M4. That's right. The new Pro jumps from N2 all the way to M4 to enable it. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.
Oh my god, it's pure chaos at the hands-on area, but all of us got a chance to have some hands-on time with the iPad Air and iPad Pro, as long as the new Apple Pencil Pro and the new Magic keyboards. Everyone's getting their hands-on time with new iPads, and I'm just stressing out whether I have enough B-rolls or not.
I just love all the curves in this place.